Many of you may wonder, can you get pregnant with irregular periods? It's a common concern. Irregular periods vary widely among individuals and can change throughout your life. Today, we are discussing a topic that's close to many hearts: how you can boost your natural conception success, especially if you have irregular periods. So, let's get started. Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Bruce from GinSen, which is one of the leading traditional Chinese medicine and natural fertility clinics located right in the heart of London. So how can you speed up your natural conception success if you have irregular periods? The process of trying to get pregnant can be stressful for many people, and conceiving can be even more challenging if you struggle with irregular periods. Imagine being able to predict your cycle with confidence, feeling in tune with your body, and finally holding that positive pregnancy test in your hands. Today, at GinSen, we are here to help answer that question. An irregular menstrual cycle, according to the National Health Service, is one that lasts more than 35 days or less than 21 days. The average gap between periods starting the menstrual cycle is 28 days. It can sometimes be a bit shorter or longer. The process of getting pregnant can be challenging but not impossible if you have an irregular menstrual cycle. Knowing when you are ovulating might be difficult if you don't know how long your cycle lasts from month to month. Apart from the difficulty in predicting ovulation, other challenges you may face include your biological clock pressure. As you approach your middle 30s and beyond, you may feel anxious about your fertility window closing, stress-induced irregularity. So career demands and life responsibilities can elevate stress levels, further disrupting your cycle. And hormonal imbalances. So age-related hormonal shifts can contribute to irregular periods and reduce conception success. Difficulty tracking ovulation, irregular cycles make it challenging to predict your fertile window. We have clients whose periods have always been unpredictable, ranging from 24 to 45 days apart, or the lady who is 39, whose once regular cycles became erratic after years of high-stress work. Although their situations are different, the underlying cause could be the same. Let's explore how Chinese medicine views these common scenarios. So in ATCM, when we talk about periods, we can't ignore the role of stress and liver health in irregular periods and pregnancy. If you struggle with irregular periods and are looking to get pregnant, pay close attention to your stress levels and the health of your liver. A study published in Science Daily demonstrated that long-term stress may reduce a woman's ability to get pregnant by as much as 29%. So this aligns with Chinese medicine beliefs. In Chinese medicine, the liver's job is to control the movement of qi and the storage of blood. So here are some supplements that can be beneficial. Remember to save. So the liver helps to regulate the menstrual cycle if there is stagnation or blockage of the liver qi. This may lead to delayed, irregular, or heavy periods. So liver heat can develop if there is too much liver qi present and left untreated. So according to Chinese medicine, women with liver qi stagnation may experience a period that's light in color, accompanied by white, thin vaginal discharge. So tips for getting pregnant with irregular periods. So number 1, weight management and its impact on irregular periods. So weight management can impact a variety of health-related concerns, and fertility is no different. It is important not to be under or overweight when looking to improve your reproductive health. Overweight and underweight women are at a greater risk of suffering from irregular menstrual cycle, impaired of ovulation and miscarriage. So maintaining an optimal weight is important to increasing your chances of becoming pregnant. Number 2 tips. Tracking ovulation and body temperature. By tracking body temperature, you can determine when you are most likely to ovulate. So ovulation is the process of a mature egg being released by the ovaries. And this is the optimal time for trying to get pregnant. Your body temperature changes slightly during ovulation. If you have an irregular period, checking your body temperature every day can help you pinpoint when you are most fertile. So a lack of ovulation may be caused by one or many factors, including changes in weight, poorly managed stress, and polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is PCOS. A study reported that a 43-year-old woman was able to conceive thanks to treatment with the Chinese medicine to induce ovulation. And number 3, acupuncture. So acupuncture is another wonderful way to improve your reproductive health and increase your chances of becoming pregnant if you struggle with an irregular period. So acupuncture is a form of traditional Chinese medicine and involves the insertion of very small needles across the body. So a study shows that acupuncture can help alleviate some reproductive health issues experienced by those with irregular periods by helping to regulate their cycle. So acupuncture acts as your cycle's reset button. So it helps balance hormones, reduce stress, and improves blood flow to reproductive organs. According to positive client feedback, most cycles stabilize to 28 to 32 days after 3 months of weekly acupuncture, so making ovulation tracking much easier. Speaking of acupuncture, at GinSen, we offer acupuncture, herbal medicine, and holistic wellness services. With over 20 years of experience, our clinics in Chelsea and Kensington are dedicated to helping you achieve optimal health. So back to original topic, number 4, improving your diet. The foods you eat can greatly impact your overall and reproductive health. Foods that contain vitamin E, such as almonds, pumpkin, spinach, avocado, and asparagus, can promote blood flow to uterus and improve the uterine lining. So foods that contain L-arginine, such as chicken and fish, can also help strengthen the uterus. In terms of traditional Chinese medicine, these foods high in vitamin E are great for the ability to tonify blood and yang, also help regulate your weight, improving reproductive health and your chances of becoming pregnant. Number 5, planning 2-person time. So planning 2-person time might seem old at first, but aligning activity with your most fertile window can help improve your chances of conceiving. As discussed earlier, your body experiences multiple phases throughout the menstrual cycle. Therefore, you can plan for your most fertile moments to improve your chances of getting pregnant with irregular periods. So some studies also show that having intercourse right after your periods can help improve your chances of natural conception. Number 6, herbal remedies. If you are still looking for ways to get pregnant with irregular periods after altering your diet and utilizing traditional Chinese medicine practices such as acupuncture, you can also use natural herbal remedies to improve your chances of becoming pregnant. So some herbal remedies such as Chinese mugwort, which is also called 益母草, are great for boosting reproductive health. Practitioners of TCM use Chinese mugwort to eliminate blood stagnation and promote the creation of new blood, stimulating female reproductive organ function. Now it's time for the FAQ section. We have gathered common questions from our GinSen live stream, which we host every weekdays from 12:30 to 1 p.m. and 5 to 5:30 p.m. If you are interested, please do not miss out. Okay, so the first one is, can I still get pregnant if I have irregular periods? The answer, yes, of course. Then you can still get pregnant with irregular periods, but it may be more challenging. Irregular periods can make it difficult to predict ovulation, which is crucial for timing intercourse. However, many women with irregular cycles do conceive naturally. Chinese medicine can help regulate your cycle, improving your chances of conception. Alright, let's move on to the next question. How long should I try to conceive naturally before seeking help? This is a good question. So for women under 35 with irregular periods, it's recommended to seek help after 6 to 12 months of trial. For women over 35 and older, it's advisable to seek help after 6 months. However, if your cycles are very irregular, vary by more than 7 to 10 days each month, it's worth consulting a professional sooner to address the underlying issues. Okay, next up. What Chinese herbs are best for regulating periods and improving fertility? So some commonly used herbs, including like dongui and Angelica sinensis, nourishes blood and regulates the menstrual cycle. And goji support kidney and liver function, crucial for reproductive health. White pony root helps balance estrogen and progesterone. Remember, herbal formulas should be recommended by a qualified practitioner. Okay, let's move to the fourth question. How often should I receive acupuncture treatment to improve my cycle regularity? This is a very good question. Okay, so for most women with irregular cycles, weekly treatments are recommended, especially during the first 2 to 3 months. As your cycle becomes more regular, treatments may be spaced out to every other week. So focusing on key phases of your cycle, like pre-ovulation and implantation support. Okay, and let's move to the fifth question, number 5. Can being overweight or underweight affect my cycle and reproductive health? The answer is yes. Both being overweight and underweight can impact your menstrual cycle and natural conception process. So maintaining a healthy BMI through proper nutrition and exercise can help regulate your cycle and improve your chances of conception. Okay, so now let's move to the sixth question. So what dietary changes can help regulate my cycle and improve reproductive health? So incorporate warming foods like ginger, cinnamon, and cooked vegetables. Increase intake of healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds to support hormone production. Consume iron-rich foods, leafy greens, grass-fed beef to nourish blood. Reduce or eliminate caffeine, alcohol, and processed foods. Stay hydrated with room temperature or warm water. So, by addressing the root causes of your irregular periods and focusing on overall health and balance, the Chinese medicine offers a comprehensive approach to potentially speed up your conception journey. Stay patient and stay positive and trust in the wisdom of these time-tested practices as you work towards your goal of motherhood. This is the GinSen channel. Thank you for watching. Message us if you need help and take the first step towards holding your baby in your arms. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on your health and well-being. I'm Dr. Bruce. See you next time. Bye.